Kapalbhati Pranayama is a breathing practice in yoga that involves rapid and forceful exhalations followed by passive inhalations. Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to today's practice. In this session, we're going to see what is Kapalbhati and what are its benefits, how to do the practice and how to progress with the practice. And the last thing is key things to remember while we do our practice. Kapalbhati is a Sanskrit word that involves two words. Kapala, that is forehead or skull, or Bhati, that is illuminate or shine. So it roughly translates to a breathing practice that illuminates or brings shine to the forehead. And it is believed to stimulate the third eye center, the intuitive center in our brain. The 5 main benefits out of this practice is it stimulates the digestive system by increasing blood flow to the abdominal organs and improving digestion, reducing constipation, bloating, and gas. The second system that it benefits is the respiratory system by strengthening the respiratory muscles, increasing lung capacity, increasing oxygen supply to all the organs in the body, overall improving health and vitality. Third system is it strengthens and balances the nervous system. Fourth is it calms our mind by reducing anxiety and stress and improves concentration and focus as well as mental clarity. The fifth benefit, it helps increase energy levels, improves stamina, reduces fatigue, increasing physical as well as mental well-being. To begin, we're going to sit in a comfortable seated position, keeping the back straight. If you need to, you can take the support of the wall or you can sit on a chair with back support. Place your right hand below your navel, left hand above your navel. Close your eyes. As you breathe in, push your belly forward, and as you breathe out, pull your navel back towards your spine. This is the kind of movement that we're going to be doing throughout the practice. Inhale, push your palms forward, exhale, pull it back. You can do this 3 to 5 rounds just to get comfortable with your abdominal movements. We'll do 3 rounds here. Exhale. The breathing is happening through your nose. And you breathe out also through your nose. 2 more rounds. Inhale and exhale. 1 more. And exhale. Now for step 1, continue keeping your palms on your belly. This is just to give you feedback. You're going to breathe in through your nose, belly moves forward. Forcefully breathe out, pull your navel back towards your spine. Let's go again. So inhalation is passive. Just focus on your exhalation. 3 more rounds here. We're going to release our hands, rest it on our thighs. Here, same movement, pushing our belly forward, breathe out. So let's do 10 rounds of this. Inhale. We're going to do 2 more rounds of 10. Don't worry how quickly you do. What is important is that the quality of the stroke and not how many strokes you do. So inhale, belly moves forward. Exhale. Ten more rounds. Remember, you're focusing only on your exhalation. Now for step 3, we're going to do all these 30 together. And we're going to do 3 sets of this. For the video, I'm going to show you 1 set of 30 rounds. At the end, breathe in completely breathe out. Now we're going to talk about how we're going to progress with your practice. Once you're done with 30 rounds, you can take a break and do 2 more sets of this. So that you'll be doing 90 rounds. And once you get comfortable with this, you can do 90 rounds at a stretch. And you can do this for 3 times. And when you get comfortable doing this and you're not feeling any kind of backache or dizziness, then you can progress to doing 120 strokes in a minute. And this you can do for 3 to 5 minutes. 4 key points to remember when you do your practice is always practice this on an empty stomach. Second thing is to keep your spine straight, your back erect at all times while doing the practice. If you're a beginner, generally there is some amount of discomfort in the back, or you may notice some back pain. And there's another thing that we notice is we tend to slouch. So it's important to be aware of this. Third thing to remember is if you're pregnant, avoid this practice. If you have high blood pressure, epilepsy, hernia, or slip disc, then please do this under the supervision of a yoga teacher. Fourth thing to remember is the quality of the stroke is important and not how many strokes you do in a minute. So it's very important to keep in mind what pace you choose. One is slow, medium, and quick. Sit tall. This is your slow pace. See that you keep your face relaxed. There's a tendency for us to squeeze our eyes shut and frown. The next pace is medium. Now your fast pace would be so based on where you're in this journey, choose your pace wisely. Thank you so much for doing this session with me. If you have any more questions or queries, please write to me in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you think this video is helpful to somebody you know, please share. I'll see you soon with another video. Namaste.